Good morning, children. Okay, so last period we have learnt about the freedom struggle, yes or not? In that, what we have learnt about the 1857 Sepoy Mutiny, or it is called the First War of Independence, yes or not? That we have learnt about the Mangal Pandey and what the British people they made. Everything we have learnt in the last session, isn't it? So today we are going to learn one more topic in this freedom struggle about the National Congress, Indian National Congress formation, then growth of nationalism, then age of moderates and the age of radicals. Okay, so what is the meaning of moderates and the radicals? Do you know that moderates means like they are fighting with the British with peacefully. Radicals, they are fighting with the British through the media or newspaper. Got it? And another people is called revolutionaries, Krantikaru. Okay, so these we are going to discuss in this lesson now. So first one is growth of nationalism. What is the meaning of, do you know that? For example, I already said that we have discussed that during the time of 1857 revolt, it was not succeeded. Yes, Mangal Pandey, he was shot dead by the British people, isn't it? But it was not succeeded because of there is no coordination among the people of India. For this reason, it has failed. But it is the reason to take out the another national movement such agitations, satyagraha, upvasa, hartals, like that. Means together everywhere, almost all the Indian people, everywhere they were started the agitations against with the British people. Understood? And it is called growth of nationalism. Means after the first war of independence in 1857, almost all the Indian thinkers or the nationalists, they were started to thinking unity, equality, fraternity, and separate justice for the Indians, everything. Understood? Because there was no justice, because whoever the British people, they were the executives. So what they were given the justice, that only the final. Got it? But Indian thinkers, they were started to ask the separate justice for them. Then fraternity, equality, unity. Understood? So because of this, they were started to feeling like we are all one. Like that unity came, unity or that feeling, what you call that, patriotic feeling. Understood? This patriotic feeling came through their mind. Okay, almost this is called growth of nationalism. What is that? Growth of nationalism. It is a feeling of germination. We are one. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೀಜಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಮೊಳಕೆ ಹೊಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ವ, ಅವ್ರಗಳ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ಭಾವನೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಒನ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಜರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ growth of nationalism. And another thing is introductions of Western education. Another thing is those who are the educationalists, Indian educationalists or the thinkers, they were started to feeling separate liberty, fraternity, justice, like that. And apart from that, what happened, almost all the Indian well learnt in English education, these people, they were not supported to British people. But British people, they were thought that these are the Indian educationists, they were giving support to the Britishers. Okay, but they did not give the support because they are started to having the we are all one feeling, and they wanted to do something for Indians only. Understood? Then secondly, uniform administration system. All the Indian thinkers, they wanted uniform administration system because there were no proper administration system. Each and everywhere, it may be military system or it may be higher post in the assembly. So these are all only for the higher post and the high salary. It is only for the British people, not for the Indians, isn't it? So that all the Indian thinkers, they were started to asking the ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ರೂಲ್ಸು, ಒಂದೇ ನೀತಿ ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್. We have already discussed in the kingdom, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, she was not having her son, isn't it? So that what happened, that property belongs to British people, isn't it? It went to British people, isn't it? So like that, subsidiary alliance and the doctrine lapse made the Indian kingdom became very weak, and the Indian economic system also it became very weak. And one side Jamindari system, the Rayatwari system and Mahalwari system, these are all the system. These British people, they were put the heavy taxes to the people, isn't it? So that here farmers, if their property or the crops will become failure also, they have to pay the taxes, isn't it? For that reason, economically they were exploited by the British people. So that here people once again awaken against with the British people. Then realization of the heritages. Already we are having our heritages, rich heritages, monuments and so many literatures, yes or not? But what happened, so these Britishers, they were looted and they were destroyed. From the Muhammad Ghazini time also it was destroyed, isn't it? So that almost all the Indian thinkers and the educationalists, they were started to protecting our nature as well as what we are having, the rich heritages in India. For example, it is Gol Gumbaz or Somanatha temple, then Taj Mahal, Red Fort. These are all the monuments is there, no, Qutub Minar. So there's and Hampi. These are all the heritages they were started to protecting themselves. Apart from that, one more thing is a social religious movement. Rajaram Mohan Rai, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekananda, and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So these are all the people, they were started to making the religious movement. Because of these people, they got the English education, as well as they were started to changing little bit in society. Some orthodox family, they were having the sati system and child marriage system, and there was no widow marriage like that. But during the time, William Bentinck, he was Viceroy of India. So that time, through the Rajaram Mohan Rai, because Rajaram Mohan Rai, he was the founder of the Brahmo Samaj, okay? So he was started to banning, he was started to stopping the sati system, okay? Sati system ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಏನು ಸತಿ ಸಹಗಮನ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯುದ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಗಂಡ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆ ಗಂಡನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಣ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ, sati system. So that here, during the time, Rajaram Mohan Rai and so many thinkers, they were started to stopping this. William Bentinck was the viceroy that time. So he was banned that sati system, understood? Then child marriage also, it was banned. And widow remarriage, they have given the more importance. So and there was a caste system, like fourth caste system, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, like that caste system was there during that time, okay? But here, because of the thinkers, they were started to creating the equality among the people. Got it? Then they were especially Mahatma Gandhi ji, as well as the Ramachandra Rao, then Swami Vivekananda. These were the people, they were trying to remove the untouchability in the society during the time of 19th century. And last one is inspirations of the post-war of independence and the racial discrimination. Means racial discrimination means what? Almost all the British people, they were thinking Indians are black people. They were not superior. Only British people, they were the superior. And these people are in the color, they were means we people are like black. And they were not given the chances to enter in the hotel room, isn't it? And they were compared to us like a dogs, isn't it? This is called racial discrimination. And another is first war of independence. It brought the inspirations of all other thinkers' mind. So this is the causes to gain the nationalism, growth of nationalism feeling. Means we are all one feeling. Through this, we are all one feeling. It made to create the Indian national, to forming the Indian National Congress during the time of 1885. When it is during the time of 1885, they were started Indian National Congress, separate formation, separate group, means political group. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ. In that, European thinker Alan Octavian Hume, he was the father of the Indian National Congress. Okay, so he was the founder of Alan Octavian Hume was the father of Indian National Congress, because he was that was the dream, what do you call that, dream child. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕನಸು ಹುಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And they formed the Indian National Congress, what you call the INC. So in this Congress party, when they were formed, then they made the president of this Umesh Chandra Banerjee, the first president of Congress party, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Okay, and together means in these Indian National Congress there were three party means three Congress party were started. One is Age of Moderates, Age of Radicals, and Revolutionaries. Okay, here all three thinkers also, three categories of the thinkers also, different views they were having. For example, Age of Moderates. In this Age of Moderates, it was started 1905, from 1905 to 1919. Got it? From 1885. Age of Moderates were started from 1885 to 1905. 1905, what was happened? Do you know that? Yes, there was a Bengal partition was happened during the time of 1905. Okay, so up to there, Age of Moderates, this period is called Age of Moderates. These moderates, they were thinking whatever the British policy or the rules, they were not following, but they were asking what the moderates they were thinking about the Indians. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಈ moderates ಪೀಪಲ್ಗಳು ಯಾರು? ಸುರೇಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ಜಿ, ದಾದಾಬಾಯಿ ನವರೋಜಿ and ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೋಖಲೆ. These three were the major leaders. They were the Congress leaders. Okay, so these people, they were started to thinking separate justice from the executives and separate and liberty. What is that? Liberty means, what is that? Liberty, freedom, fraternity. Okay, then social equality. Apart from that, they wanted actually the Indian people, they were wearing the headgears. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ಪೇಟಗಳ ರುಮಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಸುತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ ನಮಗೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮದು ಆರ್ಥೋಡಾಕ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು, ಅದು ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ whoever the soldiers, Indian soldiers, they have to get a salary what the British people they were getting. Then during the time ICS exam, Indian civil service, what is that? Indian civil service, ICS exam, it was held at England only. Understood? But these moderates, they were asking the British people at the same time, where in the England what the exam is going on, which time it is going on. For example, if it is going on month of January, then at the same time, same date, in even India also, it should be held. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ICS ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಮಿಗೇನೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಮಾಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಾಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು? ಅಂದರೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಈಡೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ moderates. With peacefully they are fighting with the British people. But these Dadabhai Naoroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, what they were made, it was become failure because British people, they weren't ready to listen these age of moderates. Understood? So another people, they were just seeing these are all the people's activity. Actually age of moderates, these moderates peoples like Gokhale, Banerjee, these are all the thinkers. Just they wanted wait and see policy. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿನ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ತರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ, ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಆಗಿ ತರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಅನದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ದ ಮಾಡರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ದಿ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ 1905 to 1919. Okay, age of moderates 1885 to 1905, age of radicals 1905 to 1919. So in this, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal and Aurobindo Ghosh are the major persons. They were started to writing in the newspaper because they are the journalists, not only the Congress leader, they are the journalists, educationalists, English educationalists. Okay, so they were thinking and they were writing against with the British people. So that here Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he brought the two papers called Kesari and Maratha in Bengal. Okay, in Bengal. Bengal means where it is here, isn't it? So Bengal, he brought the Maratha and Kesari, it is a newspaper. Okay, then Lala Lajpat Roy, he was called Lion of Punjab. What is that? Lion of Punjab. So against the British people, these Bal Gangadhar made the one propound that is called Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಬಾಲ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ತಿಲಕ್. ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಬರ್ತ್ ರೈಟ್, ಐ ಶಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್. ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್? ಬಾಲ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ತಿಲಕ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ದ ಮರಾಠಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೇಸರಿ newspapers. Okay, then Bipin Chandra Pal, he was held the mass protest in Bengal. In this Bengal region, he was held the mass protest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ against the British people. Okay, then another people called Lala Lajpat Roy. Who's that? Lala Lajpat Roy. He said we get Swaraj as a right and not as arms. What is that? Lala Lajpat Rai ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? He was called Lion of Punjab and he said that we get Swaraj as a right and not a arms. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೈಟ್ಸು, ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೆಗ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then on more it is Aurobindo Ghosh. He said that in a word, he said that Vande Mataram means ಆ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಅಂತ ಜೈಘೋಷ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅರವಿಂದೋ ಘೋಷ್. Understood? And he was spreading the news, almost all the Indians, he was guiding that to purchase the Swadeshi goods and boycotting the ಫಾರಿನ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶದ ಗಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ರೂಟ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು ಅವಾಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬೈಕಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೈಕಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಡೆ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕರೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು? ಅರವಿಂದೋ ಘೋಷ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ we have to use our Indian goods or Indian materials. It may be clothes or anything. So Swadeshi goods we have to purchase it. We have to boycott the foreign goods. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅರವಿಂದೋ ಘೋಷು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Understood, children? Apart from that, children, here what was happened? partition of Bengal during the time of 1905. ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಮಾಡರೇಟ್ಸ್ 1905 Bengal partition was started from the Lord Curzon. During that time, Lord Curzon, he was the Viceroy of India, General Viceroy of India. ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅವರು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ರಾಯ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ರಾಯ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಗವರ್ನರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ಜನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಮೇಡ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ 1905 ಹಿ ಮೇಡ್ ದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು what do you call that, break and rule, ಅಂದರೆ divide and rule system they brought. Because during that time Hindu and the Muslims, they were having the unity, and all the people, they were having the growth of nationalism feeling. We are all one feeling, understood? So here British, they were waiting to divide the Indians and the Muslims, so that they made the partition Bengal. So this is called Bengal partition. This Bengal partition was started, means they were made the Bengal partition at 1905. During this time, Rabindranath Tagore, he was written the national song, and Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, he was written the Vande Mataram song. Vande Mataram, it is a national song, isn't it? Then Tagore, he was sang the song Amar Sonar. What is that? ಅಮರ್ ಸೋನಾರ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾ. ಅಮರ್ ಸೋನಾರ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾ. ಇದು ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗೋರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡು ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಘೋಷ್ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಮನ್ನು ಬಂಕಿಮ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಚಟರ್ಜಿ ಅವರು ಆ ಪೋಯಮನ್ನೇ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದೆನ್ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ, what is that? Yes, what he has written? National anthem, isn't it? Jana Gana Mana, isn't it? In that Jana Gana Mana also, whole India, it was described. It may be rivers, holy rivers, or the mountain like Vindhya, Himalaya, yes or not, or Himachala, then Kanyakumari, everything is there, isn't it? In the poem, national song and the national anthem, means about the Indians, and different types of the religion, different types of the languages, everything, it is in the poem, isn't it? So through that, they were stopped the Bengal partition. They won't listen that, so that again British people, they were taken back. So 1905 also and the 1911 also, they couldn't participated India from India to Bangladesh, sorry, Bengal, okay. So that was the major fight against with the British people. Then establishment of Muslim League. What is that? Establishment of Muslim League. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ moderates and the radicals, I already said that. One thing it is, civil service examination, it should be held in India also, same as England, and whoever the people of legislative assembly members, or it may be they were the soldiers or in the higher post, they should get the salary what the British peoples they were getting. And another thing is, for the radicals, movements of the Egypt, Russia, China and Ireland, during that time they were also started to agitated against with the Europeans, understood? There were war was also started. So because of this war, Indian people, they got the inspiration, especially these radicals, they got the inspiration, children. And during the time, Russia, in the hand of Japan hand ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿತ್ತು, sorry, Japan, yes, small Japan country, it was ruled Russian country, okay. That was the major inspirations of the radicals to get the revolutionary mind against with the British people. ಅದೊಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ inspiration to raise their voice, okay, against with the British people, children. Then establishment of Muslim League from 1906 and Surat crisis 1907. So these are all started to India from these revolutionaries and the radicals, okay. That we will discuss in the next period. Please, dates or the years, please remember that 1885 Congress, Indian National Congress formed, and the age of moderates 1885 to 1905, and the radicals 1905 to 1919, and Bengal partition 1905. Please remember this. Go through the lesson, okay. Read well. Thank you.